Today we're going to make this Mousepad checker set. I wanted to make a novelty item that will be fun to use as well as functional. So for today's project, we'll be using Affinity Designer, which is a very capable and affordable graphics design software. Hey, it's O from CLO Ed TV. Today we're going to be making a Mousepad checker set, and it also works as a chessboard as well. So we're going to get into the design part first, then the 3D modeling, and then we're going to put everything together. So let's get started. All right, so if you notice here, what I have are 3 designs that are pretty much already pre-made. Basically, when you're making a checkerboard, you have to make even size squares, 8 by 8, and make the design how you want to make it. So let's get into that. My squares are 7 by 7. So anytime you make your square, then down here you can actually change the size. Now that you see I have 1 square, I'm going to go ahead and make 7 more in 1 line. So in order to do this, I'm just going to hold down Alt with the keypad and click and drag. Now I have 2. Now I automatically have my snaps on, so that way it locks onto place. This square I'm going to change into a different color. Give it a light gray. Then also I'm going to select both of these, hold down Alt again. Now I have 4 in an alternating pattern. Select them again, hold down Alt. Now I have 8. At this point, it's just a matter of copying that row and then bringing it all the way down 7 more times. So let's do that. Select all these, hold down Alt, and then if you notice that it is the same, but we need to flip this around. So we can go ahead and flip it. Now we have an alternated pattern. Now we can select them all again, hold down Alt, and go again. Take the big group, hold down Alt. Now if you look on the page, I have an 8.5 by 11 paper because that's what I'm printing on. Once I print on that sheet of paper, I can put it and substrate it to the mouse pad in order to create our checkerboard mouse pad. Right now, each square is 0.7 inches, and I have a full checkerboard now. I like both the white and gray and the orange and gray, but for this particular design, I'm going to go with the orange and gray because it gives it a little bit more pop, and I think it'll be more fun. Now, once we get the mouse pad printed, we got to do the checker pieces next. So let's do part 2. Okay, so now we left Affinity Designer, and the next step is we're in Blender now to make the 3D chips to be printed. Alright, ladies and gents, we're at the end of the road here. I've got my checker pieces designed. Now all we gotta do is send these files over to the 3D printer. Yeah. I love how this Mousepad checker set turned out. It's the perfect option for when you want to take a break from using your laptop. You can just slide it out, pull the pieces out, and play your game. This checker set mousepad will be available at clolearnshop.com, or if you want a custom design made, visit the same website and we can arrange it. As I always would like to say, like, share, comment, subscribe, and there are more videos coming out soon. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.